Hey, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to compare two popular espresso machines, the Mueller Premium Espresso Machine and Geek Chef Espresso Machine. We'll go through each product's features and discuss which machine is best for you. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more product review videos. The Mueller Premium Espresso Machine offers more flexibility with its dual brew feature, allowing you to grind and brew single or double shots of espresso with the portafilter or bottomless portafilter. You can even adjust the temperature. On the other hand, the Geek Chef Espresso Machine only offers single and double shot options with automatic extraction stop, but it does have a strict temperature control system. If you're looking for a complete barista experience, the Mueller Premium Espresso Machine comes with everything you need, including a conical burr grinder, integrated steamer, and 15 bars of pressure. Meanwhile, the Geek Chef Espresso Machine provides a portafilter, double shots filter, single shots filter, scoop, and 2 cups for basic brewing options. The Geek Chef Espresso Machine comes with a powerful milk steamer that turns milk into silky smooth microfoam, perfect for latte, cappuccino, mocha, and plain white coffee art at home or office. While the Mueller Premium Espresso Machine does include a built-in steam valve, the frothing quality isn't as impressive as the Geek Chef's. The Geek Chef Espresso Machine wins in this category with its 30-second quick preheat and automatic stop when the desired amount of espresso is reached. It also has 2 independent thermostat controls to adjust the temperature of the water and milk foam. While the Mueller Premium Espresso Machine doesn't have a quick start system, it's easy to use with simple and intuitive controls. When it comes to price, the Geek Chef Espresso Machine is the winner with a price tag of $179 United States dollars, while the Mueller Premium Espresso Machine costs $399 United States dollars. However, the Mueller Premium Espresso Machine does offer more in terms of features and flexibility. In conclusion, both the Mueller Premium Espresso Machine and the Geek Chef Espresso Machine have their own strengths and weaknesses. If you're looking for the complete barista kit and more versatile brewing options, then the Mueller Premium Espresso Machine is a great choice. But if you want a quick start machine with impressive milk frothing capabilities, go for the Geek Chef Espresso Machine. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit that like button, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more product review videos.